presently you are in your destiny. We're all vulnerable to nature, to exist and to cease. It's all nature the same. And all nature is inescapable. The river constantly flows, the sun always shines. All always in their nature. What of a man? Sadness, sorrow, grief, pain, happiness, joy, even in deviancy. He's in his nature. Life is only disposition. The absolute judgment doesn't exist. To make choices presently with the foresight of who I will be at a time in which I did not know myself. What choice I make will bring me happiness. I could never know what the future brings, and I can never know how that future would change me. We don't know which way to go. Every man simply.
Though I wish to grow, my biggest fear is change. Only know what's to come is due in time, not a moment later early. What have you now but the present? What question worth asking? What discipline worth practice? If I knew what was good for me, I'd be better. Every moment I'm only subject to things natural. I've lived a life entire, or have yet to live entirely. My nature.